Well, good morning. I had to wait another day due to the weather and some stuff that popped up, but I've sanded, filled in some spots that had some pinholes, sanded that over, cleaned it all off, mixed my paint, and we're ready to spray this. So I've got my gun over here full of paint. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me once I put this respirator on, but the gun that I'm using is a Atom X27. This is a low volume, low pressure, and I've got the big cup on because I want to get all this in one shot. I also have my GunBudd on to give me a little extra light. See what I'm doing here. The only issue I'm having is I'm outside. It's hot. It's overcast. Trying to rain, and I've got some wind. Not the best conditions, but we'll see what happens. Actually, I need to I'll put this back up here and put the respirator on. Like I said, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me with the respirator. I haven't tried that yet. But I'm not going to spray without it, so if it doesn't work out, I'll get my mic inside and put the commentary on that. And now I'm just checking my pressure in my fan. That don't look too bad. Yeah, let's see what happens here. you could hear me. Okay, I don't know if you can tell. Because unfortunately I don't have a camera person and I can't move the camera around to show you each piece that I'm spraying. But I sprayed out real nice. I had one little dab over there I may have to sand because my hose, I didn't wrap it around me, which I should have done. I tapped it when I was doing this fender over here. So we'll see how this dries. I still got 2 more pieces in the garage, the small side panels. My Road King does not have hard bags, it has leather bags. So these are all the parts that need to be painted. There's 5 parts altogether. So I will get the other pieces and we'll spray them. These other pieces are all sanded out, and I also had a couple of pinholes that I had to doctor on those. Sure wish I had a spray booth of some sort, even a homemade one, which I'm thinking about doing. And if I do that, I'll be sure to film that too, because I've got an idea. And being a fabricator, I always come up with ideas. Yeah, I'm going to try to move this fender. Out here in the sun. What little sun we have. And put these pieces over here so I don't get too much overspray on everything. Slide this gas tank down. And then adjust the camera so you can see these other pieces over here. I think you can see those 2 pieces now. And we'll spray these now. Again, under the I'm filming and I can't stop because I said I'm filming and I can't stop because the paint will go off. It's I got to get this painted first. painting the edges here. So I'll make sure I get all the little cracks and crevices. And I don't want to do it after I've done the top, because that's how I got drips going down the sides last time. I have to tell you, this GunBudd really works nice, even in the outdoors. Here we go. All the Harley pieces. You can see that's quite a bright little light there. I don't know if you can see it shining in there, but it's pretty bright. I wasn't sure if it would do me any good in the sunlight, but it does. There's any little shadows and stuff you can see. That helps, at least me, helps me from producing runs, I think. That and getting used to the gun. Anyway, in about an hour. Well, now that I've got my gun cleaned up and I don't have to worry about paint drying in my gun, thought I'd walk around here and show you the painting, how it looks. It did a real nice job on all these pieces.